Hi, Miss Mary Jane. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Mary Jane Andes Antwerpia. I am 33 years old. I live in Malangka, Taisan, Legazpi, Albay.
Okay. Are you single or married?
I'm married now.
Okay. Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 3 kids.
Okay. Please state their age and gender.
My son is 13 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Second, 11 years old,
Mm-hmm.
and third is 5 years old.
Both girls.
Yes,
Okay. And how many siblings do you have, ma'am?
I have 6. I'm the older.
Okay. And tell me about your educational background.
I I don't attend in college. I'm graduated in elementary and high school
May I just know, ma'am, why you did not go to college? What's the reason?
because of financial and
Difficulties.
yes po. And
Okay. And do you have work experience abroad?
no one.
Okay. But how about local?
Yes.
What is your local experience?
I work in Manila and
Mhm.
I
This is as a domestic helper as well.
yes no.
Okay. For how many years?
Almost 3 years now.
Okay. And please state your duties and responsibilities.
Yes. My I do cleaning and they have 2 sons.
Mm-hmm.
I'll babysit them and I'll go to market
Mm-hmm.
and they I clean the garden there in their house.
Okay. You do tutoring as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How old is the kids you take care of?
Um, 9 years old, the oldest, and the youngest is 1 year.
Okay. And how would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and I can do whatever they want me to do.
Okay. That's good. And do you have any tattoo in your body, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
Because of financial difficulties and for my family.
Okay, to support your family's
Yes,
needs. Okay. And are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have pets at home?
Yes.
Okay. And give me your idea, how can you take care of a naughty children?
Um, I'll take a deep breath and come and I'll talk to them in a calm voice
Mm-hmm.
and I'll play with them.
That's nice. Okay. And for the last question, ma'am, what is your message to your future employer?
Um, Dear future employer, I will do my best to be a good worker. You can assure me as a hardworking, honest, and I can do all multitasking. And if you have kids, I will love them on my own. And if you have rules and regulations, I will follow them. And thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.